Hi, I'm Louis Campanello with the City of Tampa Parks and Recreation Department. Did you know we're hiring and training lifeguards for the summer? But why would you want to be a lifeguard?
Maintenance of life.
Fitness.
Making change.
We're looking for lifeguards all across Tampa. Not only is it fun, you'll make good money, you'll make great friends, and it's an amazing experience that'll look fantastic on your resume.
The best thing about being a lifeguard is working with the community. We host different events like Aqua Fitness, where we have the same members come to all the different pools and you really get to know them.
There's really good progression with the city and a lot of opportunities for growth. And again, it's just a community service.
Getting to see the difference and development with all of the little children and seeing how much they improve, it's the best part of being a lifeguard.
Not only is it rewarding for yourself as a person, but it also teaches you how to become an absolute team member and how to work with everybody. It's not just a you thing, it's a us thing.
You want to be part of something bigger than you and actually give back to the community. I say come be a lifeguard. It's one of the best jobs there is in the city.
So jump on in. The City of Tampa has a job for you. Visit tampa.gov/lifeguard for more information.